How to spot an opening Marubozu candlestick pattern. This is how they look like: a bullish candle opening Marubozu, where the open price is also the lowest price of the candle, and this is the bearish Marubozu, where the opening price is the highest price of the candle. So once again, in a bearish opening Marubozu, the highest price is the opening price. In a bullish Marubozu, opening Marubozu, the lowest price is equal to the opening price of the candle. Such candles give high probability and very strong possibility of a trend change or a deep correction or a beginning of a new trend after the candle pattern appears. Euro franc 4-hour chart, as you can see at the end of the rally, beautiful bearish opening Marubozu with no spike or no wick on the upper part where the high equals the opening. And starting from this candle, the bears take control to push the price all the way to the downside. Dollar CAD 4-hour chart at the end of a downtrend, bullish opening Marubozu. At the end of a downtrend, classical green Marubozu, opening price equals the lowest price of the candle. It completes the Marubozu and changes the trend all the way to the upside. For more trading education, real-time trading opportunities, and so much more, including trading courses, join our family, the Home Trader Club. Link in the bio.